Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over how you can fund your Kucoin account the cheapest way possible and living in the US. So what you're going to need is a Coinbase Pro account and a Kucoin account. First thing you're going to do is on Coinbase, buy XLM. I already have USD on my Coinbase Pro account, so if you don't have that, I guess you're going to do that first and then you're going to buy XLM. I'm going to do this with $100, and you don't want to do a market order because they're not going to give you the best price possible, so you're going to do a limit order and set it to whatever the price currently is. So I'm going to do that and see what happens. One minute and 37 seconds later. Okay, as you can see here, we have $100.19 of XLM. The 50 cents went towards the fees. So far we paid 50 cents in fees. Now on Kucoin, you're gonna go to your asset overview and then main account. Then you're gonna search for XLM and then click deposit. And then this is so important because I messed this up because I wasn't paying attention. You need to make sure you have not only your wallet address, but your memo account number, because the wallet address is just like kind of like an escrow account for Kucoin. So everyone's XLM Kucoin wallet address is exactly the same. It's just like a pool of everybody's money. Once it goes to there, they look at the memo account number and then they send it to your account. So if you don't have that, it just gets stuck in this limbo situation where they don't know where to send the money, and then you have to go through like a headache of stuff to verify that that was supposed to go to your account. So please do not forget the memo account number. Whew. All right, so we're gonna do withdraw on Coinbase Pro. You're gonna search for XLM. You're gonna select crypto address. And then we're gonna put in the wallet address. And then don't forget this, you need to put the memo number. Okay. And then we're gonna do max and then withdraw. Now I have to do the verification, so let me go do that real quick. Okay, so I just got an email from Coinbase Pro. They got my order transaction. And now I'm gonna check Kucoin. About 1 minute later. Okay, so it's officially hit our account. My notifications are blowing up on my phone, and I just got a notification on Kucoin as well. So I have my 291. So what I wanna do now is convert this to USDT because most of the pairings on Kucoin pair with USDT. Let me show you for example. So like all of these pair with USDT. There's some that pair with USDC, which I think their fees are lower, but there's just not as many pairings, so I just do USDT. So let's go do that and see how much that is gonna cost us. So first we have to transfer it from our main account to our trading account because you can't trade anything if it's in your main account. And there's no fees to transfer it from account to account on Kucoin. So you just transfer, main account, select the coin, and we'll do the whole, there we go. So transfer from main account, trading account, XLM, full amount, confirm. Okay, now we're gonna go to trading. Search XLM and USDT pairing. And then put in your 6-digit code. We're gonna do another limit order. Current price is 134,327. 100% of my XLM. Okay. So we're gonna get $99.90 and some change. Okay, so we transferred $100.56 from USD to XLM, sent it to Kucoin, and then converted it from XLM to USDT. And we started with $100.56, and we ended up with, drum roll please, so ultimately, I funded my Kucoin account with about $100 and only spent less than $1 to do so. If you're based in the US and you don't know how to buy XRP, I know that's a big problem for some people to try to figure that out, you could use this method and then convert to XRP from here because Kucoin has an XRP USDT pairing. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, comment them below. If there's something else you're not sure how to do and you want a tutorial on it, comment it below and I can do that for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to help grow this channel. I'm trying to do as many tutorials to help beginners out as possible. And then also, last thing, full disclosure, I did not come up with this situation myself. I was posting stuff on TikTok and I got flooded with comments on saying that this is the easiest, cheapest way to fund a Kucoin account. So I just came out here and wanted to pass that information on to anyone else and do a full tutorial. So thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time.